Hey, this is Josh with Grimco Tech Support. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to install Onyx RIP software on your PC. Whether you're installing for the first time, upgrading to a new version, or just simply running a repair to fix a problem in the current version of Onyx, these are the steps I would follow. So first thing I want to do is find out what version I have running or what version I'm licensed for. So if I can go to my search menu here, or I go to the start menu and look for what's on my key. It's a program pre-installed with your Onyx software. This will look and read the key information off of the key that's plugged into the PC, and it'll tell me the version that it's licensed for. It'll also tell me which product I'm licensed for. So in this case, this means I'm licensed for the Thrive demo, and it's version 19. I can also get some other information like my serial number here or the key number, as many printers I have here, the number of RIP queues or job editors, and so on that I can have installed in my version of Onyx. And this basically, it'll look at the key and it'll install this stuff based off of what's programmed to the key. So I've got my version number 19 here, so I can go out to Onyx website and download version 19 of Thrive. If I don't have Onyx installed, if this is a new installation, I'm not going to have the Onyx key viewer here, so I'm going to have to go use their web key lookup function. So I can open up a web browser and just Google Onyx key lookup, and it's going to be one of the first selections here, the Onyx web key lookup. And then I can type in my key number here. So the key number will be printed, physically printed on the USB key, hardware key. You can see here, okay, so it's licensed for version 19. It gives me some expiration information and so on. So again, I can see here that I'm licensed for Thrive in version 19. So now I can go to the Onyx website, onyxgfx.com. And I'm going to go to the downloads page. Go to downloads, product downloads. If I haven't already logged in, it's going to ask me to log in with my Onyx account. If you haven't created one yet, you'll have to create a My Onyx account to be able to download software or access a lot of their user support functions. So I've got my login and password here, so I can just hit login. If I don't have a login already, I can come here to click to register and fill out the form to register for a My Onyx account. Once I have that account, I can come here and log in with it. Once I'm logged in, I can go back to the Downloads tab, go to Product Downloads. In this case, I'm going to go to Product Downloads for existing users. And I can choose the product downloads out of this list over here. If I was just downloading a trial for trial purposes, I would come through this column and download whichever software I intend to use. Or in this case, I'm an existing user, so I'm going to go to the tab that says for key holders and choose whatever version I have. So in this case, I have the latest version of Onyx, which is version 19. If I've got an older version, I can come down to the very bottom and choose legacy downloads. And then this gives me access to Onyx products, kind of going backwards in iterations from 18.5 all the way back to version 12. And just choose, Onyx 18.5, Onyx Thrive. In this case, I've got the latest version, so I'm going to back up one screen here and download. You can see down in the bottom it shows 19.03 Onyx Thrive 19.0.3, and start that download. It's going to take a few minutes. It's a fairly large file, 3.5 gigabytes. So let that download, and then I can execute that file by double clicking it.